The following video is a closing CSG3A818 surface grinder. The machine is new 2000. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Okay, we're going to start with the manual controls. First we'll start with the horizontal control. Alright. Then we'll go with the cross. You get the vertical. We're going to start with the spindle now. So grinder.
Spindle, the wheel grinder is on. Spindle is on.
Shut that off. Alright. Then we'll start up some hydraulics. Then we'll start with the travel.
Showing the cross feed. Larger graduation now.
And then we'll slow it down.
Smaller graduation. Smaller step overs.
And then we'll do the automatic vertical.
Power elevation and power fall.
And then we will do the automatic horizontal.
And this, your power cross. Again, the following video is a closing CSG3A818 hydraulic surface grinder.